truck. Also known as a cube truck or a van truck, this vehicle has a large, enclosed rectangular cargo area. It is widely used for moving furniture, appliances, and commercial goods. Its enclosed body protects cargo from weather and theft, making it a popular choice for delivery companies. Taxi car. A taxi is a car for hire that transports passengers between locations of their choice. Taxis are usually marked with a special sign and meter, and they operate in cities and towns worldwide. They are a convenient transport option for tourists and people without personal vehicles. Ferry River. A ferry is a large boat used to carry people, vehicles, or goods across a river. Ferries operate on fixed routes and are especially common in areas with many rivers or where bridges are not available. Airplane. An airplane is an aircraft that flies in the sky using jet engines or propellers. It is commonly used to transport passengers and cargo between countries and continents.
Van truck. Boxy and secure, like a moving safe. Keeps your goods protected from sun and rain. Open top bus. The open top bus, perfect for sightseeing. Wind in your hair, sun on your face, and great for selfie lovers.
Tarpaulin truck. This is a truck with a flatbed covered by a removable tarpaulin canvas sheet. The tarpaulin protects goods from rain and sun while allowing easy loading and unloading. It is often used for transporting agricultural products, construction materials, or general merchandise. River. A barge is a flat-bottomed boat designed to carry heavy goods on rivers or canals. Barges are commonly used to transport items like coal, sand, rocks, and containers at low cost and high efficiency.
Motorbike, the street king of Vietnam. Zooms through traffic like a ninja, always on time, always agile. Coach, the classic long-distance bus. Comfy seats, cool air, and perfect for heading home or exploring far away.
Sleeper coach. A sleeper coach is a long-distance bus equipped with reclining seats or bunk beds, allowing passengers to lie down and rest during overnight travel. These buses are often used for intercity or cross-country trips and provide comfort similar to train sleeping cars. A car is a four-wheeled motor vehicle primarily used for personal transportation. Comes in many types: sedans, hatchbacks, convertibles, etc. Cars provide flexibility and comfort and are one of the most common means of transport worldwide.
Cars transport truck, a moving hotel for cars. Hauls a whole squad of vehicles like a true pro.
Truck-mounted crane. A truck-mounted crane combines the mobility of a truck with the lifting power of a crane. It's often used on construction sites, in logistics, or for utility maintenance. The crane arm can be extended and rotated to lift and move heavy materials like steel beams or large machinery.
Dump truck, the dirt master. Watch it tilt its back and pour out tons of soil or rocks. Oddly satisfying. Sightseeing car, a cute little ride for tourists. Cruises through parks and attractions, sometimes with a tour guide voice.
Cargo tricycle. A cargo tricycle is a three-wheeled vehicle designed to carry goods. It is often pedal-powered or electric and used in densely populated cities or markets for last-mile delivery. It is cheap to operate and can navigate narrow alleys where larger vehicles cannot go. Metro train. A metro train is an electric train that operates within a city, usually running underground or on elevated tracks. It helps reduce traffic congestion and provides fast transportation across urban areas. Electric buses are large passenger vehicles powered by electric motors instead of diesel engines. These buses are commonly used in urban transportation systems to reduce pollution and noise. They can be charged overnight at depots or via special charging stations and are increasingly used in cities aiming for green and sustainable public transport. Minibus. A minibus is a small passenger bus that typically seats between 8 and 30 people. It's used for short trips, school transport, shuttle services, or group tours. It provides an economical and flexible way to transport small groups. SUV, Sport Utility Vehicle. SUVs are larger, taller passenger vehicles designed for both urban and off-road driving. They usually have powerful engines, spacious interiors, and features like all-wheel drive. SUVs are ideal for families or travelers who need space and flexibility. Oil tanker truck. This is a large truck with a cylindrical tank for transporting liquid fuels such as gasoline, diesel, or crude oil. These trucks are built with safety features to prevent leaks, explosions, or environmental damage. They are essential in energy distribution networks.
City bus, your daily buddy in the concrete jungle. It's crowded during rush hour, but it always shows up to save the day. Shuttle bus, the very important person of pickups. Just stand in the right place and boom, a ride shows up. Great for airports, hotels, or big campuses.
Cyclo. A cyclo is a human-powered three-wheeled rickshaw commonly found in Southeast Asia. It has a seat in front for passengers and a rider pedaling from behind. Though slower than modern vehicles, cyclos offer a relaxed, nostalgic way to explore cities, especially for tourists. Pickup truck. A pickup truck is a light-duty truck with an open rear bed. It's commonly used in construction, farming, and small businesses. The back bed allows easy loading of goods, equipment, or tools. Some pickups are also popular for personal use, especially in rural or off-road areas. Electric car. An electric car is a modern vehicle that runs entirely on electricity stored in rechargeable batteries. Unlike traditional cars that rely on gasoline or diesel, electric cars produce no exhaust emissions, making them environmentally friendly. They are quiet, energy efficient, and ideal for city driving. Popular examples include Tesla, Nissan Leaf, and Hyundai Ioniq.
container truck, giant, heavy, and unstoppable. The long-haul champ of the highways, moving containers across the world.
Cement tanker truck. This is a specialized heavy-duty vehicle designed to carry dry cement in bulk. The tank is sealed to prevent moisture from entering and has a pneumatic system to unload the cement directly into silos or construction mixers. These trucks play a vital role in large-scale construction and infrastructure projects.
Flatbed truck, flat and strong, great for hauling machines or giant loads. The gym rat of trucks,